Welcome back friends. Ever wondered what developer option actually do on your Samsung Galaxy? Don't worry, it sounds more complicated than it is. In this video, I'll show you the fastest, safest way to unlock it in just a few taps. So let's get started. First, take your phone, then open the settings menu. Once you are in settings, scroll down to the bottom. Here, find the about phone option, tap to open them. Within the about phone menu, look for the software information option, click on it. In this menu, here you can find the build number option. Now repeatedly tap on 7 times. After you tap on 7 times, the verify by entering your phone password, so verify it. After it done, now the pop-up message developer mode has been turned on. To check it work, return to the main settings menu, scroll down to bottom again. Here you can see the pop-up developer option. Tap to open it. I hope this quick guide helped. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next Samsung tutorial. Have an awesome day.